when we are learning French. We translate in our head, and sometimes there's a fear that we are sounding wrong.
Wrong. Yeah.
Yeah. So all these things we all know. So I have developed a sentence Lego method, which I would like to show. Just a second. Yeah. There, I've made many systems like Lego sentence, how to learn the conjugations and all through this method only, how to make learning fun. Because you should also enjoy in the language learning process. French Story Lab, everything. This is. Have you ever heard about a this French sentence Lego method?
No.
The Lego blocks which children play with, the color coded
Yeah, yeah.
blocks.
Legos, I know. Yeah, yeah,
Lego, na, the color
yeah,
coded you
yeah,
build brick by brick.
yeah.
The same concept I have started with learning French, the color coded blocks, so that it
Okay.
gets easier for you. Yeah, the French and build French from A1 to B2. Like we will develop sentences, say an easy sentence, and then complicate it to the complex sentence. We grow it to a complex sentence. Let's see how. See, these are the colors. You can just have a
Okay.
look. I'm just giving you a brief. Subject, verb, object, place, time, reason. They're all color coded. And then see, if it is je parle français.
Français.
Now you just change, you can first repeat with me, je parle français, loudly.
Je parle français.
Très bien, c'est super. Now just change français and say something else.
Just say, I didn't get you. Which one?
Je parle and instead of français, say something else.
Je parle anglais.
C'est super. Je parle anglais.
Anglais.
Yes. Now the next step. Now, je parle français avec qui, if I ask you. So, what will you see?
Je parle français avec mon ami.
C'est super. Je parle français avec mon ami.
Oui.
Now, how will you increase it more? Try to grow the sentence.
Je parle français. Wait, I'm writing. Français avec mon ami.
Don't write anything. Just
Okay,
speak.
okay, just speak. Je
Uh,
parle français avec mon ami chez moi.
okay, very
Chez
good. C'est
moi.
super. Chez
Uh,
moi, don't use a. Je parle français avec
oh, yeah.
mes amis.
Je
Chez
parle
moi.
français avec mon ami chez moi
Hmm.
à 6 heures pour
À
euh,
6 heures.
6 heures pour euh, réussir l'examen TCF.
Très bien, parce que je veux réussir l'examen TCF.
Oui.
Just a second, somebody has it. Come. Where is it? Hi, Mom. Welcome, Mohammed.
Hello.
Hello. So I was just explaining the system Lego method, my Lego method system, that how you make a simple sentence a more complicated, a more big sentence. How you grow the sentence step by step, like Lego blocks.
Okay.
Hmm. So, like je parle français. What's her name? Anusha said a very good sentence. Je parle français avec mon ami chez moi parce que je veux réussir le TCF exam. Now here it was the C. Now you see the method, Anusha and Mohammed.
Oui.
Like this. Just a second, what has happened? Je parle français avec mes amis. Now the next step. So can you repeat loudly? Je parle français avec mes amis.
Je parle français avec mes amis.
Yes,
Je parle français avec mes amis.
c'est super. Now can you make Mohammed? Can you make your own sentence? Like instead of saying français avec mes amis, can you say anything else?
Je parlais, je parlais en Urdu.
Yeah, je parle Urdu.
Oui.
Then
Euh,
je. So here you can change whatever you want to say. Je parle Urdu avec mes amis or
okay.
avec mon frère. Anything you can say.
Okay.
Then you will have. Then I will say ou. So you will immediately understand that you have to tell from where. Je parle français avec mes amis au café. Like Anusha said, chez moi. So anything you can say. And then I will tell you to grow it more. So like you have to tell me the at what time, when, quand. So she said, what did you say, Anusha? Hello, Anusha, are you there?
Oh, sorry, I was talking on mute. Je parle français avec mon ami chez moi à 6 heures pour réussir l'examen TCF.
C'est super. Now, can you make your own sentence, Mohammed? Like, what reason will you give and quand? First, say
Ah,
quand. Je parle français avec mes amis au café. Quand?
je parlais français avec mes amis pendant 18 heures à café.
So you should like je parle.
Je parle.
Yeah, if it will sound like je parle, so I can think of like you're talking on in which tense. So that will
Okay.
make a difference. Je parle
D'accord.
français avec mes amis au café, and then you will say the time.
Euh, 18,
Yes, à 18
18 heures.
heures. Or you can say anything le soir,
Le
le
soir, le
matin.
midi.
Le midi, anytime you can say.
Oui.
And then pourquoi. So you Anusha has already answered pourquoi. Now you say. What's your reason?
Pourquoi? You're talking
Pour,
pourquoi? Why?
yeah. You speak
Uh,
French with your friends in the cafe in the evening. Why?
mhm. Okay. Pourquoi? Okay. I'm just little bit puzzled.
Yeah, and I'll just explain. Why are you learning French? Like, yeah, you have to
I'm
just
learning French because I'm in France right now. How to
okay.
speak.
To
Yeah.
speak pour communicate, you can
Uh,
say
Pourquoi
uh,
communiquer?
with whom do you want to communicate? Your colleagues or your friends,
Like with
everybody.
mes amis, yeah. With my friends,
Yeah,
mes amis.
yeah. You can say I speak French with my friends in cafe in the evening. Pour communiquer or pour
Hmm.
améliorer mon niveau.
Pour améliorer mes animaux. Okay.
Hmm. Pour améliorer mon niveau. So
Bon.
I will teach you through sentences how to grow the sentence. Because if you
Okay.
do it in the traditional way, like doing all the conjugations first, vocabulary first, that will take a lot of time.
Yes.
And French is a skill that needs to be trained, not memorized.
Okay.
Okay. Now, next step. Pur Pratike. Here they have said. Now, Anusha and you both repeat together. Je parle français avec mes amis au café le soir pour pratiquer. Say it
Je,
loudly, both of you.
Je
je
parle
parle
français
français
avec
avec mes amis
au
au
café
café
le
le
soir
pour partir.
pour pratiquer.
Oh, say super. Or anything you can say, past ka java progressive. So this
Okay.
way, you will be able, through these color coded blocks, you will be growing the sentence and be reaching from A1 to B2, or if you want to reach a more higher level. So this way only you can reach. But now you will say that you all have done, Anusha, like you must have be doing well very hardcore grammar, like the passe composé, the this subjunctive, conditional. Have you done all these, all the tenses, imperfect?
Tenses till future I have done, but imperative and conditional
Hmm.
uh, I have done, but I'm not. I don't have proper grip on it.
Yeah, but you have
I
basically
know.
know passe composé, future sample, and
Yeah,
all.
yeah,
But
yeah.
but what if I tell you that also you can be easily be doing with this Lego method? I'll
No.
just show it briefly. See, I will never say now speak in conditional, now speak in future sample. That you will like present is je parle français, which we just practiced. From a simple, just a small sentence, je parle français, we grew it to such a big sentence. And now the same thing is with passé composé. Like if you want to say the same thing, you can say j'ai parlé français avec mes amis, and then you can prolong that sentence also like this. And since it is passé, you will say hier. Hier means yesterday. So this way, you will learn how to prolong not only the present, but all passé composé, future simple, and all these tenses in a big way. And is there anything you would like to ask if you all have not understood,
No.
like how the sentence will grow?
Is it the same logic for all the tenses?
Yes, all the tenses. For that you will use ear. Here for future sample you will use dama. And then when I'll teach you, see the thing is, first you have to listen. Like you listened Japal France. Then I didn't tell you to memorize. I just told you to repeat it once. You should repeat it twice. And then you should build your own sentence.
Okay.
Like you said Japal only. Mohammed said Japal Urdu. And then you made your own sentence. And then it was okay, avec mes amis. You said avec mon ami. And then you also said chez moi. My sentence was au café. So this way you'll keep changing the first you will repeat, and then you will build your own sentence. And imagine just such a small sentence you are able to grow. And then you will be able to grow all these sentences. Imagine doing this for 30 days.
But one
In
more doubt here. So
hmm,
we for this method we can easily write the sentences, but the
hmm,
problem comes with prepositions. Where to use
yes,
what? Sometimes we
yes,
might use pour. Sometimes we might use do. Uh,
yes.
these partitive articles and all. So that's
Eh,
the confusion
That's the
mainly.
main confusion because we have learned French as a subject and we keep on thinking whether to use which article to use, which
Yeah, yeah.
preposition to use. So, for these things, I have made many things. I am totally aware of the way French is taught in schools and colleges. because I've also learned the same way. And and this is all what it's first comes speaking, and all these things like listening, reading, writing, everything is the byproduct. Our main goal is speaking, because what is the use of learning a language if we can't speak it? And now let me show you if I get something regarding what you have said, because I don't remember which file it is. You've asked a very valid point. And this, no, not this. These, these will be the exact. So all, not this one. And there is prepositions while I'm finding, not this one. French grammar made mistake. I have I have laid down the whole system from A1 to C2 so that there is no confusion. See here. Can you see all the verbs and all? Wait, let's move to, let me see, basic sentences, expanding sentences, prepositions of place. Like we'll practice like this. Elle travaille en France. J'habite à Paris. Nous allons au Japon l'année prochaine. So see, I won't teach you like why it is en here, why it is au here, and why it is a over
Mhm.
there. When you will keep listening to these sounds, we will keep when we'll keep speaking, we will understand, our minds will gather all these things itself, that why I is coming. We will not even be like in English, we don't even realize why we are saying in, sometimes we say on. So it's the same way here also, we will not even realize, and it will happen. The main thing is that we have to grow our speaking muscles. Like here, il voyage in Italy. You have to give the answer. So you like there will be things you will say like this. You will have to repeat it, and then I'll tell you to change the sentence. See,
Okay.
B1 connecting.
Okay.
Let's see.
Follow.
Here, je parlais français quand j'étais étudiant. I'll tell you to repeat after me, and then I'll tell you to make your own sentence. So when you will make your own sentence, speak in front of the class, then the magic is going to happen. Did you all understand my way?
I understand.
Yeah.
So this way, like, and there can be innumerable sentences. Like if I just start with je mange, just a second. Yeah. If I just start with je mange, so what will you how can you increase this sentence?
Shimon.
Uh,
Yeah.
ये मौजे taco,
Je mange, je mange.
taco, taco.
Yeah,
I am
very
eating a
good.
taco.
Je mange un taco. And
ये
then
मौजे
what else can
आंखें
you say? Yes, and then what you can say? Je mange un taco.
avec
Increase the
boisson,
sentence. Hmm?
avec boisson.
Okay, you want to say drink. Un
Yeah,
boisson.
a boisson.
Hmm? Un
Uh,
boisson. Like you
fromage.
can, and Okay. And then
Right.
how can, okay, then I'll help you to increase the sentence.
Okay.
Je mange un taco. Où?
A taco. Ooh.
Où?
Ooh.
Where? Où means where.
Oh, ooh. Okay, got it.
So
Ooh.
what will you say? So what will be?
Ooh. Um, in a restaurant.
Très bien. Je mange un taco au restaurant.
Ooh, restaurant. Wait.
Pourquoi?
Um, yeah, I fam.
Hmm?
Yeah, fam.
Pourquoi means past.
You say
You
why. You say why. So I say
yeah.
yeah, fam. Yeah, fam. I'm hungry.
Okay. So you have to say parce que j'ai faim.
Oh,
Parce
parce
que
que yeah, fam.
j'ai faim.
Parce que yeah,
Okay.
fam.
Très bien. C'est super. And
Oh,
Anusha, what
merci.
would you say?
Je mange le pain de chocolat avec mon mari
Hmm.
à la boulangerie
C'est super.
le soir pour passer du temps.
Le soir, euh,
Passer du temps,
pour passer
du
the
temps.
the- c'est super. So this way, and then you can even say if you want to say two things, a the plus, je a the plus, and in addition,
I think
the plus, je
yeah,
n'ai pas de temps
Oh,
à cuisiner. So anything you can say, I don't have the time to cook. So you can give two, three also, like using dabur. Have you ever used dabur? Then enfin, ensuite. Anusha, you know that those
yeah.
terms? Huh.
Ensuite, I know.
Yeah. Après. So these
Après, Fredo.
actually what happened with us is that we all generally know all these words, but we
Mm,
just know how to combine this and form a sentence
yeah,
because this happens only with continuous practice.
yeah,
Imagine you people spoke so much. If you do this for 30 days,
mm,
how confident you will become in speaking in French.
yeah,
And see, you will not have to learn by heart the prepositions of place and the whole grammar also, because we will speak and learn. We will not just mug up, see the logic in our books and mug up like here it should be, this should be the logic. That's why we will use O. This should be the logic, so we should write en. Got my point?
yeah.
Hmm. So that's why I have developed this 30-day French speaking program. And it was really nice meeting both
Nice
of
meeting
you.
you, Swati. Thank you.
Yes, and Bonjour. I'm there in your French speaking journey.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yes.
thank
Thank
you.
you.
Have a
Bye.
nice
Okay.
day.
Bye.